How to remove object from photo in Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Removing objects from photos on your Samsung S26 Ultra is super easy thanks to Samsung's built-in AI tools. Apply the step-by-step process given below to use the object eraser. Open the Gallery app. Select the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit Pencil icon. Tap the Galaxy AI icon. Make sure the internet is working on your device. Tap the AI eraser or look for the object eraser. Tap or draw around anything you want to remove. Tap Erase. Tap the Show previous to the comparison between the photos. Tap Done. Tap Save Copy at the top to save the photo. Object Eraser is the best tool for removing unwanted objects or people from photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.